So in this video, you'll learn how to install and set up WhatsApp on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So the first step is to open the Google Play Store. Then when you want to use the search feature and you want to type in WhatsApp and then search. You should see it listed in the search results on your screen. So all you need to do is simply select it and then tap on install and wait for the app to be downloaded onto your phone. Once it's been downloaded, you can tap on open to launch it. And then from here, we need to go through the process of setting up WhatsApp. So the first step is choosing the language you're going to be using this app in. So by default, it's set to your device language. But if you have any other option you want to switch to, just scroll through the list and select it. Once you've selected your language, tap on this arrow button to go to the next step. So from here, agree and continue with the privacy policy and terms of service. And then you'll need to allow WhatsApp to send you notifications. And so from here, now just type in the phone number. So ensure that you're using a phone number that's for a SIM card that's currently added onto your phone, whether it's an eSIM or a physical SIM card. And then once you've done that, tap on next. The next step, you'll need to confirm your phone number. So if this is the correct number, tap on yes. However, if you feel as if you've made a mistake, you can just tap on edit and go through the process of erasing and typing the correct phone number in. And so once you've confirmed, then you need to verify your SIM card. So you can do this in two ways. You can choose to have a code sent to your phone number. So you tap on verify another way, and the code will be sent to your phone number, and you'll just type in the code. Or you can choose to have an automatically verify with a missed call on your phone. So for me, I'll choose this option right here. So I'll just tap on continue. And then I'll need to allow WhatsApp access to my call logs. So allow, make and manage phone calls, allow. And so now it will send a phone number. And then once WhatsApp registers that the phone number has been sent, it will confirm that the SIM card is the correct phone number. And then once verified, you'll need to allow WhatsApp access to your media, photos, videos, files, all sorts of things. So you can choose to tap on continue and go through the process of giving those permissions, or you can select not now and do that later. If you have any backups linked to that WhatsApp account, you can tap on continue and restore that backup, or you can just tap on cancel and set it as its own individual WhatsApp account. So from here, just set up your profile. This includes adding a profile image and as well as giving your profile a name. Then once you've done all of that, you're finished with your customizations, just tap on next. And then once you've finished, you can choose to create a passkey or you can choose to cancel. And once you've done that, now you'll have successfully set up WhatsApp on your Galaxy S25. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.